welcome back to my lecture series. This is R. Muthuminal, Assistant Professor at the Department of Agricultural Engineering from the College of SMS College of Technology. Today we'll see the continuity of our previous lecture series about ozone layer and its depletion that comes under the unit Earth's climate system under the subject climate change and adaptation for the students of final year 7th semester. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap what and all we have seen at the previous lecture series. We have seen what is ozone and how the ozone hole is created. How does the ozone hole have a greater impact on the environment and how the ozone layer is formed? What is ozone? What are the technical representation of ozone? How much of Earth's ozone is available at every ozone layers? How does we formulate the ozone layer and what is the involvement of UV and the oxygen molecules in the formation of ozone layer. Along with this, we have also seen the depletion category, that is reduction of ozone, which is technically termed as ozone depletion. That means that it gets reduced the amount of ozone at the stratosphere. Unlike pollution, these kinds of ozone depletion has been caused due to the human activities like CFCs, halons, and methyl and hydrofluorocarbons. I have also shown you the procedure that is involved in ozone depletion, that involves breaking up of CFCs into chlorine while reacting with the sunlight. After this happens, this chlorine reacts with the oxygen and destroys the ozone oxygen molecules. If that's the case, what happens? More reaction causes more depletion that results in increased ozone hole. Also, I have shown you what are the two main categories of ozone depletion. The first one, which is caused, is by man-made causes, and the second one is natural causes. Along with this, we have also seen the symbolic representation of ozone, that is O3, and the second one is ozone layer depletion, is nothing but the reduction of amount of ozone. Today, we'll see about the impacts of ozone depletion. The impact of ozone depletion is nothing but the first one. Since the ozone gets depleted, what happens? It will reduce the thickness of ozone that is available, and also it means that through the ozone hole the UV radiation and the sunlight will directly pass to the Earth's surface. So, when that UV radiation is not infiltrated or absorbed, and the UVB group comes directly and reaches the human's skin, it will create radiation to the skin of the human, and also it will lead to serious deteriorations in the eyes, skins, and to the immune system and everything. So that is why due to the effect of UV radiation, which will also lead to skin cancers. This is the harm that could be happen to the human health if the ozone is depleted. The second category is it will cause adverse impacts of agriculture, since due to the ozone depletion and due to the emulsion of greenhouse gases, what happens? It will lead to global warming. Obviously, after the global warming, the crop and forest will get damaged since the ozone gets depleted. The effect of plant and effect of animals comes under the adverse impact of agriculture, as these are two categories which has to be considered, which will get affected. That is, crop in the sense it comes under plant, and animal in the sense it comes under the poultry farmings and everything. So that is why even though human is getting affected, we can go and say that we have been pain or anything, but for as per of considering plants and animals, it is not possible. So that the hazardous effect caused over the plant and animal is very serious while compared to that of human health. The last one is effect on materials. What happens here in the sense, the material like concrete and everything will get depleted due to the rays passing through it, and it will create a harsher layer which will be reduced at its own self weight. This is how the ozone depletion will impact over the materials. The importance of ozone layer, that is, it is a concentrated ozone condition, is available at the lower stratosphere at the kilometer of 15 to 30 kilometers. This can be produced by numerical chemical reactions, but the main mechanism in the atmosphere for its production and removal is absorption of ultraviolet radiant energy. The maintenance of enough stratospheric ozone is usually to absorb harmful UV sunlight, and therefore it vitally important to all life forms on the earth. This is the ozone hole occurrence, which has been shown here is the comparison of 1982 to 2011. Here you guys can see the purple spot that is very drastically bigger at 2011 while compared to that of 1982. This means that the hole that is available at the Antarctic region is very big at the year of 2011. Measures to prevent the ozone depletion are: we have to limit the private vehicle driving, use eco-friendly household cleaning products, we have to avoid using pesticides, we have to develop stringent regulations for rocket launches, banning the use of dangerous nitrous oxide. This will all help us to reduce the depletion of ozone that has been caused by the human activity. And these are the protective measures that have been taken by the government. The international level measures are Montreal Protocol, which we have seen briefly at the previous lecture series. This Montreal Protocol comprises of 189 countries now. This helps us to reduce the chlorofluorocarbon substances. The national level measure is India has banned the use of CFC product at the year of 1991, and the countries can control the import and the manufacture of CFC product. So this is what I have prepared. Here also I have shown you the ozone hole in million kilometer square, how much of hole has been created at the period of 20 years. So this is a reference video which I want to show you. If there is any kind of doubt, you guys can reach me anytime. See you at the next class. Thank you.